That'll do. Right, what can I use to block? Use filtered water because it causes less lime scale. You should get it from the tap, that's enough. The La Casinerie tomorrow, so Jesus Christ. Last brew. This Shemag is helping me, the hand warmers are helping me. Cheers. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.